Join me as I try to figure out my risk tolerance when it comes to investing and see if I can make smart choices for 2024. When it comes to building a portfolio, there's one crucial concept that every beginner needs to understand, and that's risk tolerance. Your risk tolerance is the amount of uncertainty you're willing to take on when investing in the market, and it plays a critical role in shaping your investment decisions. Many new investors face a common challenge, and that's not knowing their risk tolerance. This can lead to making investments that are either too aggressive or too conservative, ultimately impacting their financial goals. Without understanding their risk tolerance, investors may end up taking on too much risk, leading to significant losses, or playing it too safe, which can result in missed opportunities. This lack of self-awareness can be detrimental to their portfolio's performance. It's essential to recognize that risk tolerance is not just about being aggressive or conservative. It's about understanding your personal comfort level with market fluctuations. When investors don't know their risk tolerance, they may find themselves making impulsive decisions based on emotions rather than logic. They might invest in something that's not aligned with their goals or risk appetite, simply because they didn't take the time to understand themselves. This is why it's crucial to acknowledge and assess your risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. By doing so, you'll be able to create a portfolio that's tailored to your unique needs and goals. Understanding your risk tolerance can also help you avoid costly mistakes. Imagine investing a significant amount of money in a stock that's not aligned with your risk tolerance, only to see its value plummet. This can be a huge setback, not just financially, but also emotionally. By knowing your risk tolerance, you'll be able to make informed decisions that align with your comfort level, reducing the likelihood of such mistakes. There are 3 primary levels of risk tolerance: conservative, moderate, and aggressive. Conservative investors tend to prioritize capital preservation and are willing to accept lower returns in exchange for reduced risk. Moderate investors seek a balance between growth and income, taking on a moderate level of risk in pursuit of average returns. Aggressive investors, on the other hand, are willing to take on higher levels of risk in pursuit of higher returns. When it comes to asset classes, conservative investors often favor bonds and cash, which provide a fixed income and relatively low risk. Moderate investors might split their portfolio between stocks, bonds, and cash, seeking a balance between growth and income. Aggressive investors, however, may allocate a larger portion of their portfolio to stocks, seeking higher returns despite the increased risk. Let's take a quick break and do a self-assessment quiz to help you identify your risk tolerance. Imagine you invested $10,000 in a stock that suddenly dropped by 20% in a single day. How would you feel? Would you sell the stock immediately, hold on to it, or even invest more? Your reaction to this scenario can give you a hint about your risk tolerance. Another question to ask yourself is, what's your investment time horizon? Are you looking to invest for the short, medium, or long term? This can also impact your risk tolerance, as longer time horizons often allow for a more aggressive investment approach. Take a moment to reflect on your answers to these questions. Did you find yourself leaning towards a more conservative or aggressive approach? This can give you a better understanding of your risk tolerance and help you make more informed investment decisions. As we've discussed, understanding your risk tolerance is vital to making smart investment choices. It can help you create a portfolio that aligns with your goals, reduces the likelihood of costly mistakes, and ensures that you're comfortable with the level of risk you're taking on. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this video has helped you understand the importance of risk tolerance in investing. Take a moment to comment below and share your risk tolerance results. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on investing strategies and tips.